In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the homepage on Wix. If you want visitors to land on a different page when they open your website, Wix makes that process very simple inside the site editor. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly where to click so you can update your homepage quickly and confidently. To begin, go to Wix.com and open your website by clicking Edit Site. This will launch the Wix editor, which is where you manage your site's design, layout, and page settings. Once the editor loads, give it a moment to fully open so all of the menu options are visible and ready to use. Next, head over to the left side of the screen and open the Pages panel. To do that, click Pages and Menu in the sidebar. This area shows all the pages currently included on your website. And it's where you can manage navigation and page settings. If your site has a lot of pages, take a second to scan through the list carefully so you choose the correct one. Now find the page that you want to make your new homepage. This is the page visitors will see first when they enter your website. So make sure it's the one you want to highlight as your main landing page. Once you've found it in the list, move to the next step. Click the three dots next to that page name to open more options. From the menu that appears, select Set as Homepage. As soon as you do that, Wix will update the page's status. You should see a small house icon appear next to the page name, and that icon confirms that the page is now set as the home page. That visual confirmation is helpful, especially if you are making several changes in your site editor and want to double-check that the right page has been selected. After that, the final step is to publish your site. Click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. This is very important because changing the homepage inside the editor does not automatically update the live version of your website. Publishing makes the change visible to your visitors, so once that's done, anyone who goes to your site will be taken to the new homepage. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.